is Dineshwaran, and today I'll be a representative from Group 5 to demonstrate a project named Clinic Reception Counter System, which is developed for the course DCE 3013 Digital Electronic Technology. Now, this system is designed to automatically count the number of patients entering a clinic using digital electronic components. This circuit consists of 4-bit binary counter, which is known as the IC of 74HC93, a BCD to 7 segment decoder, which is known as this IC CD4511, and a common cathode 7 segment display, which is known as the output, with push buttons, resistor, and definitely a power supply. Each of these components works together to count and display the number of patients which will be entering into the clinic or hospital per day. Okay, now let's start the simulation. When you start the simulation, you can see that the power supply here is actively works and the display of the 7 segment shows 0. For example, if there's a patient entering into the clinic or hospital, they should go to the ticket counter to take the ticket in order to wait for the queue to see the doctor. So how the system works? Now I have two push buttons here. The first one will be the ticket counter. So when the person who takes the ticket from the counter, the display at here will show that there will be a first person going to see the doctor. As keep on patients entering into the clinic, the numbers will increase and it will be displayed through the system. The 74HC93 IC counts the number of pulses in binary form. Then this binary output is then sent to the IC CD4511, which converts the binary count into a decimal value that can be displayed on the segment display. As we can see, each time when the button is pressed, the number on the 7 segment display increases accordingly, showing the total number of patients at the clinic receptions. Now, I would like to show you the function of this push button. This push button is known as the reset button. When I press this, it resets the counter back to 0 and the display returns to 0 over here, ready for a new counting session, which is known as if there is a patient coming by in tomorrow in the clinic. So the doctors or the nurse at the reception, they would of course automatically reset the function of the system to see how many number of patients are coming to visit the clinic regularly. In conclusion, this clinic reception counter system works successfully by applying digital counters and decoders. It demonstrates how digital electronics can be used in real life clinic reception management. That's all from me. Thank you.